Hi, James McCloskey from Remax Realty Enterprises. We're here in beautiful Milton at my new listing at Centennial Forest Heights, this beautiful adult lifestyle building at 443 Centennial Forest Drive, Unit 408. Right at the top, penthouse level, 1,239 square feet, 2-bed, 2-bath, beautiful laminate throughout. You've got great views of all the scenery. You can see all the trees that are beside me. And you have easy access to shopping, local restaurants, access to highways. Not to mention a great party room for all the social events that they have at the building. Come down for potluck, cards, and special events. You're absolutely going to love it. Let's go for a tour here at 443 Centennial Forest Drive, Unit 408. The large kitchen features granite counters, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar area, and plenty of cabinets. The living and dining room are a great open concept design with laminate floors, 9-foot ceilings, lots of room for a full dining room, table and hutch, walkout to balcony, and a great sitting area for movie nights. The laundry room is spacious with front-load washer and dryer and has extra storage cabinets. The primary bedroom is spacious and has laminate floors, California shutters, his and her closets, and a large 4-piece ensuite with step-in shower and deep soaker tub. The second bedroom features laminate floors, California shutters, and double closet. The condo also comes with 1 underground parking space and a large locker. The building offers its residents a large party room or meeting room, great for functions, game nights, or large gatherings. Well, thanks for coming on the tour here today at 443 Centennial Forest Drive, Unit 408. As you saw, this is one spacious and large condo in this beautiful adult lifestyle building. Help us share this video and help us find the lucky new resident. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax, and you have yourself a beautiful day.